In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Assassin's Creed Unity cross-platform and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to play Assassin's Creed Unity cross-platform, what we can try to do is open the game and start a save file on any platform. So I'm doing this process on PC through the Ubisoft launcher or Ubisoft Connect. So I went ahead, I got my copy of the game, and after downloading, if we pause the game at any time, we have plenty of options. We have the store where we can acquire additional stuff for the game. Then we have database, which usually refers to lore inside of the game itself, and Uplay. Uplay would be the most relevant option related to crossplay, because in here we can see the friends we have on our Ubisoft accounts. Even though we are able to select them here, there will be no option to invite them to the game. So besides this, what else can we try? Inside of the options, even if we browse through all of the game options, there will be nothing related to cross-platform or even managing the Ubisoft account that we are using. Even if we were to play Assassin's Creed Unity on another platform and sign into the same Ubisoft account, the progress wouldn't transfer over. So as of today, what is the answer to the question in the title of this video? Sadly, or unfortunately, Assassin's Creed Unity does not support cross-platform play. This means that you will not be able to connect with friends online unless you are all playing on the same platform. So if you want to play Assassin's Creed Unity online, everyone needs to be on the same platform. So if I had friends playing on PlayStation or Xbox, they would be unreachable. I would need to have them purchase a copy of the game on PC through the Ubisoft Connect store. And you have to remember that in this era of games, in 2014, before cross-platform became a major feature, no games basically featured it at all, including Assassin's Creed Unity. And because the game does not receive updates anymore, there is no way to enable it. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of Assassin's Creed Unity and how the game does not include cross-platform in any way. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.